Okay, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is salary prediction tutorial series in machine learning. Before we carry on, let me remind you of what we covered in our previous tutorial. In our previous tutorial, we made data conversion. We converted words into numbers. I mean 4 in words into 4 in numbers. And we created a function, we created the Python dictionary for mapping each word and number, then we use the apply and lambda for saving and accepting the changes and returning new data frame. In this video, we are going to cover two things. The first one is to concatenate x and y by using concat function in pandas. Then after we'll save our clean CSV in our project folder. Means so far we have made changes of our data frame by making data conversion. So we need to dump or to export those changes in new .csv file, right? So let's go. So the first part of this video is data frame concatenation. So here df is equal to pd dot concat or something like this, then x y, and we want to concatenate on column. X is equal to 1 means this is column. Then after I need to display first 5 rows, right? Oh, PD is not defined, so I should import pandas as PD here, then something like this. Hope everything is right. So here you can see we have actually made a data frame concatenation. So we have joined the x and the y features in order to dump new CSV file with the changes. So below here, let me see the data types of the data types of. Now you can see here there is integer, float, int. So this is the first part of our tutorial in our 5 tutorial video about salary prediction in machine learning. So the last part of this video is to dump, let me write save clean CSV. So df dot to underscore CSV, then we pass the name clean underscore hiring dot CSV. Before I run this cell, let me show you the content of our project folder. As you can see, this is the content of our project folder at desktop. So here there is just one dataset, which is hiring. So after running this cell, there will be hiring.csv in our project folder, right? So let's see. Now hiring underscore clean hiring underscore CSV is added into our project folder. So this is an end of our, this is about, let me see the number of this tutorial. This is an end of our 5th video in our salary prediction tutorial series using machine learning. Just to put a short summary of what we have covered, we have made data concatenation by using Pandas concat function. Then we check the data types of each column. Then we saved the changes of dataset. I have told you that why do we need to concatenate these columns? Why do we need to save new CSV file? As you can see here, we have made a lot of changes. As you can see here, in column there is numbers, there were words. Here there were missing values. So we have transformed our data set. We have fixed the missing values. We have converted words into numbers. So we need to save the changes in a new CSV file. That's why we have first joined or concatenate our columns which have been processed in our previous cells, Jupyter cells. We made changes. We filled the missing values. We have made data conversion. So we need to save those changes in clean or in new CSV file. This is what the purpose of this video. Thanks for watching. This is an end of our tutorial. In next video we'll train our data set. We'll train a model using linear regression. Yeah, that's it. Maybe we'll have to create a model, dump it in a disk. I hope something like that. But what I still insist you stuck around my channel to get great content about machine learning. Here we live in machine learning. We live in, so there are more great content. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, put comment and subscribe for next video updates. Goodbye.